Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. So in this video we are going to install a rear view camera on my Volkswagen Polo. For that we need to remove tail lights, rear bumper and few trims from the boot area. For the power supply we need to take a line from reverse gear light, and for the display just take a wire from the rear to front to the Android radio and connect it. That's it. So first we need to remove the boot area trims and then remove the tail lights. So for removing the tails we need to remove these two couplers. I'll show you how to remove. Just pull out this red color clip and the connector will come automatically. Then there is a kind of small plastic screw that you need to loose, then you can pull out the tail light. Once the tail light is removed, you can remove the bumper very easily. For that you need to unscrew around 6 screws which is on the side as well as on the bottom. After that you can remove the bumper. So after removing this bumper you can see two kind of wirings. One is for number plate lights, another one is for rear view parking radar. So this camera is an aftermarket one, and we are not going to make any drill or we are not going to break anything. We are just going to install this on the number plate LED lights. For that we need to remove one of the light which is on the right side, and just this kind of plug and play. Only we need to do the wiring and it will start working. And right now I'm having aftermarket LED which is glowing in white color, so that I need to remove and replace with the new camera. But whatever I'm showing here, right, this is halogen light which is not available with LED because the gap should be there to insert the bulb. So I'm going to put back the stock number plate lights this time. So on the left side I'm going to replace with stock one, and right side I'm going to install the camera so that I can insert the bulb and I can make it both work. So the installation of the camera and the wiring is done on the bumper. So using this gap I just pulled out the wires, and the yellow one is for sending a video input to the radio and red one is for the power supply. So for taking power supply we need to use the left side tail light which is having the reverse light. So there are two wires which we need to tap. One is the blue color and the brown one is for ground. So once we connected these two wires, camera will be switched on when you apply the reverse gear automatically. So the wiring is done for the power supply. Now we need to take the video line. So I pulled out all the left side trim of the car and I did a wiring till the front of the Android radio. So the wiring is going on the left side of these trims. And it is here. So this yellow color pin we need to plug in on the Android system. So it is done. So the entire wiring setup is done. Now put back the Android radio in place and we'll start testing. So the player is running now and the reverse gear is engaged and key is switched off. I'm going to switch on. Yeah, it is working as expected. And the quality of the videos is really good. Now I'll show you the rear side of the car. You will barely notice the camera. See, there is no difference. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want this kind of camera, I provided the link on my description. Go and check it out and please subscribe.